they'll tell lies. Or they'll tell lies. One of the most interesting things, and I share with you what some very well-informed people, that they have an airbase there called Murkha. It used to be called Chaklala earlier. There, they had built what they considered was an impregnable bunker. Concrete on top, concrete at the several feet of concrete. And they used to boast about it and show it to all visiting VIPs. न्यूक्लियर वॉर हो भी जाए हम लोग यहाँ बिल्कुल सुरक्षित हैं हमारा कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर सब है हमारे जहाज कंट्रोल यहाँ से होते हैं एवरीथिंग वी विल सर्वाइव so people were very impressed and who do you think built that the Pakistanis don't have the courage or the knowledge it was built by GE of America they built it for them it was a magnificent fortress with all communication systems and using Chinese satellites and this that and that. What did we do? And by the way, there were Americans there who were helping, and then there were Chinese there, there were Turks there, because they had also fired drones at us.
Yeah.
So what did we do?
Yeah.
We fired our missiles.
Yeah.
Listen to this. One of them entered through the air conditioning vent. Because if you are so many feet below the ground, you need air conditioning. It went in and it exploded. And 700 people, this is a figure I was given by a Pakistani general since retired, who now lives overseas, most of them live overseas. 700 were incinerated instantly. Do you understand what happened? Completely burnt. Unka to, this is in the command and control center. And there was a request, I'm told, from the families of the Pakistanis there, that jism de do, we'd like to bury them. And then they were told, what jism? There's no jism left. Similarly the Americans, similarly the Chinese, similarly the Turks. So many days later, I heard somewhere that the Turks announced that we've lost 12 of our soldiers. They were looking for the remains of one of their comrades, killed by militants in a cave in Iraq. What arrant nonsense. These were the 12 guys who were incinerated in the airbase. Do you understand? So finally decision was taken, कि इसके ऊपर bulldozer चला दो, वहीं पे on site रहना. And then the Americans got very concerned. And they sent an aircraft to monitor radiation levels, etc. They were not able to do anything. Then let me tell you again, as after 52 years in diplomacy and counting, when they realized they were being hit, and then they have a Rakshas Mantri, not Rakshas Mantri, Raksha Mantri, an absolute idiot, I don't know his name. So he is a chap who occasionally tells the truth.